Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Sunday, September 18th. Right now is almost 2 o'clock afternoon. For this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys a solar light that I ordered for the outdoor. I ordered it from Amazon. I actually looked through a lot of different solar light online, and I noticed that this one looks pretty good. So I actually just got it. I know the camera's kind of flip around. I don't know how it works, but the brand is called Woolmug, Woolmug, Woolmug solar light outdoor. It looks something like this. You got a 3 panel and then one center with a sensor in the middle. These 3 panel on the side is adjustable. You could tilt up and down and left and right. It came in 2-pack. What else information I could say about it? That's pretty much straightforward. So it's meant for the outdoor. It's water resistant for sure. So let me open it. When I got this, I thought this looked like an open box or something. I don't know. I was expecting they have like a tape over it, but I'm sure it's made in China. So yeah, it felt like it's an open box, but I guess not. On the top it says solar lights outdoor on it. So when you first open it, you have a instruction manual. Obviously, I think it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to place it on the side. You have 2 remote control, pretty tiny remote control. Indicate on and off. Mode 1, 2, 3. So 3 mode on it. So let's put that on the side. You got screws for the wall mount outdoor. The mount itself that attached to is actually pretty small. So 2 screws each. These things are pretty light itself, so it doesn't really take that much to hold it on the wall. So I'm gonna set it down. And the light itself, to be honest, I was expecting something bigger. When it first arrived, the box, I thought that this whole size is one solar light, but apparently both are inside, so obviously it's not that big. The box itself is not that big, so it's kind of cut in half. I will say that they do have a measurement on the website, on the Amazon. They did post it. I never was good at the measurement, so it's my own fault. But based on the information that they listed on the website, it seems pretty good. So obviously you got the solar panel on top right here. I don't know how many cell this is. The light, it's actually nicely folded in like that. So I guess what I first going to do is tilt this up, and then so that I have enough space to tilt the light forward to show you guys, I guess. I can't remember how many LED this thing has. I think it's like 200 something, so it's quite a lot. That's the reason why I picked this one. And also you got the bottom, so it's pretty nice, adjustable. Look at that. So if you want to get the corner of the house, you could just like tilt this. So it's cool. I'm mainly going to mount this in the front of my house. This probably won't be, you know what, actually the rain kind of stopped right now, so I might do a installation video. But for now, the mount on the back, it is also adjustable. Let me see how this works. Like that. So you could, this go towards the wall, and then it just kind of set directly on here, like that. There we go. It go into the groove. I don't know the weight itself. I can't really tell you what's the weight, but I was thinking about using one of these double-sided tape to see if it's strong enough to hold it against the wall. This double-sided tape that I have here, it's not made by 3M. It's made by LLPT, double-sided. The reason why I got this one is because I saw a YouTube, one of the gentlemen that who love to do testing on different variety of stuff. And then one of the video that he did was on double-sided tape. He tested like 3M, LLPT, Gorilla or something, like multiple name brand tape. And then he found out this is actually pretty good. It's a generic no brand, well, not a famous brand, and it's obviously the cheapest one there is as well, and came out to be the strongest. So it was quite interesting. So I think I might try this on, because honestly I really don't want to drill any more holes on my wall outside. I already drilled like two holes ready for the address plate for the house number, so I don't want to drill anymore, and this is going to be sitting right on top of it. I'll show you guys later. So I'm going to try using the tape first. Based on the width, maybe I could fit 2 of them. Yeah, maybe 1. Yeah, exactly 1. Obviously it's not a lot, but if this thing able to hold the whole light against the wall, man, I'll be amazed on that tape. Yeah, so let's talk about price, how much it cost me. I think it's $39.99 for both of these. So it's like $20 each. And I don't remember if there was a coupon or something. I think there was like an $8 coupon clip on it on Amazon, so I clip it on. So I think it only cost me like $32. So each of these like 12, 13, 14 bucks. So it's pretty good. In terms of brightness, the brightness, I think it's 2000 lumen or something like that, or 2200. And then the color itself is bright white, so it's a 6500K color. So yeah, that's one. I need to definitely make adjustment on it, but anyway, this is it, guys. I don't know how you guys like it. It's pretty straightforward. I didn't open the other one. It's probably the same. Another thing about this one is, I have to say, is that I don't know where the battery is at. I assuming maybe the battery is in this box right here. Because the reason why I was saying it, oh yeah, this, you could also adjust this right here as well. The reason why I'm saying about the battery is that I know that I'm currently doing some research on solar security camera, and there was a model out there that the battery itself is right underneath the solar panel, and you're able to open it and add more battery into it, you know, like to expand the capacity or something. But obviously this is, you can't really expand it. The 3 mode, let's quickly talk about the mode it has. So for mode 1, I don't exactly remember the order, but 1 is that when people walk close by, it'll turn it on 100% brightness, so extremely bright. And then when the person pass, like not standing in front of this sensor anymore, then it'll turn it off by itself. The second mode is that it'll be on all night for 30% brightness. And then when a person walk by, it'll turn on to 100% brightness. And then after maybe a few seconds or minutes after the person walk away, then it'll dim itself back down to 30% brightness. And then I think the mode number 3 is on 100% brightness at night the whole time until morning, and then it'll turn it off by itself. So yeah, that's the 3 setting that they have. I'll be staying at setting number 2, which is 30% light, and then after the person leave, I mean when the person show up, or if it detect anything, it'll turn on to 100%, and then after the person leave, it'll just, you know, drop down to 30%. So I'll be using that. I'll test this out. I hope this thing will last me for a while. I'm kind of hesitate about. I'm still kind of hesitate about using this LLP tape, PT tape thing. Even though the guy like did the review and everything, but I don't know. You know, sometimes you kind of wonder like, could this thing really hold this whole thing up? You know, it'll be amazing if it's able to hold it up. You know, never know. I might, you know, end up have to use one of these, but I really don't want to drill any screws on my one. But if I have to, I might have to do it. But anyway, that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys are wondering what it looked like, and if you are looking at Amazon and you saw this one and you don't know, you know, if you like it or not, then this is it. So this is the made by Woolmug, Woolmug, Woolmug. Probably from China, most likely. The size looks something like that. So anyway, that's about it. It doesn't. You know, another thing is that I don't see any on and off switch. Yeah, there is no on and off switch. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So I assuming it's working right now. I mean, that's my assumption. So I'll just wait until the sun go down, and then hope that this thing will turn on by itself. Maybe I'll play around with the mold. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, just leave it comments below. I hope you guys like it. I will definitely, of course, do a follow-up video and show you guys what it looked like during the nighttime or darkness. But for the price, I definitely think it's pretty good. I mean, you know, I definitely don't have any complaint for the price. For like 33 bucks, it's pretty good. Anyway, everything's made out of plastic. That's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.